Before I go over what I would like you to do for your assignment and how to submit your assignment, I want to give you a brief run through of how to navigate VoiceThread. On screen, I have a copy, or a screenshot rather, of the last page of the Sight-Singing packet that can be found in the Blackboard module. On this slide is where I would like you to record your comment, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a little moment. But first, let's go over the zoom in and zoom out controls, which are on the right-hand side of your screen. You can simply click those to zoom in or zoom out, respectively. If you zoom in too much, and say, for instance, you want to do one of the melodies up here or down here, you can simply click and drag to adjust your view. Once your melody is on screen, you can go over to the bottom left-hand side where there's a speech bubble with a plus icon in it. This is how you make a comment. You click on it, then you simply click on the microphone. It'll give you a brief countdown, after which you will record your melody singing. And then you can say something along the lines of, I'm choosing to sing 2.1. Then you give yourself a starting pitch, which in this case would be C. Give yourself a count-in internally, and then sing it to the best of your ability. When you're finished, go to the bottom and select Stop Recording. And then your comment will be uploaded to the slide for me to view. Just going to pause that. And I'm not actually going to save mine. I'm going to cancel mine. But what you would do is click Save instead. Or if you're not finished yet, say this was your first melody and you need to record your second one still, you can click on Record More and record another one. So, the assignment. Pick any two of these melodies, record them, and then let me know in Blackboard. Click on the title of the assignment, submit a comment that says, hey, Mr. G, I've done my assignments. Go ahead and take a listen and tell me how I did. And then I will grade you accordingly. And that should be it for the sight reading lecture and demonstration and assignment. If you have any questions, as always, you're welcome to get in touch with me at any point in time. You always have my ear. Music be with you.